Hello, welcome to the OutdoorImager tutorial. To get started, navigate to About Us and select OutdoorImager. Here you can register a new account, or if you have already created one, log in. Next, choose your location using the drop-down box. Here you will see a set of pre-made house templates. Choose the one that best matches your home. Once you have selected your home, you will be taken to the OutdoorImager. Hover over the color template areas or choose what product you would like to get started with on the left. In this demonstration, I'm going through and selecting the products I think will best match my home and style the closest. You can select from paving stones, wall caps, and even roofing tiles can be selected to best help illustrate your dream makeover. At any time, you can go back and reselect stones and color options as needed. When you are happy with your selections, you can save it to your account. You can also print your project with a list of product options that you have selected by clicking the Print button in the top right. Download your project to a PDF or schedule a free design consultation to go over your dream home. Get started today at systempavers.com.